Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming to you guys with some new, funky, fresh content. I've been having a lot of fun with the channel. Let me just say, we're a month in, we're feeling good. As you know, your girl likes nice things, but she's on a shoestring budget, broke girl, expensive taste. You know the story, you've heard the story. I'm going to be doing a cheapest luxury series. The first brand we're going to be taking a look at here is Tiffany. And I ordered this, I want to say on Tuesday. I was supposed to get next day shipping, but it didn't show until today, which is perfectly fine. Like I said, it's the cheapest item. I highly doubt they prioritize the cheapest things over not. Let's see here. It does say to, you know, Miss Donnie, which is a nice touch. I'm not used to people putting a salutation on my package, so that's cute. You know, it's all about the little things, you know. I'm using a nail clipper to open this box, child. I need to get an official tissue box cutter. Already I'm starting to see that Tiffany blue in here. I'm gonna try to be gentle so I don't mess up the box. So it's nice and bubble wrapped here. Okay. Nice and bubble wrapped. And here, I guess, is like the return slip and all of that. There's an envelope in here too, so I'm guessing if I wanted this to be a gift, again, the classic card. Oh, actually, I wrote a note to myself. I do want y'all to see this. Wait, okay, here we go. So that's what I wrote on it. Here is our package. Here was the box that it came out of. Fully protected, bubble wrapped up. But here is our Tiffany box. Beautiful, okay? Just stunning, all right? And it's wrapped up so nice. And like I said, this was the cheapest thing that I could find on Tiffany. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this packaging of this white ribbon. As you can see, it says Tiffany Co on the box. All right, and we're gonna open it up, and even more wrapping. This item did need to be protected, so I'm glad to see that they were meticulous in how this thing was packaged. Even more wrapping, okay? Even more wrapping. All right, and ooh, child, this thing is wrapped up like Fort Knox. I might need to take a knife. I'm gonna try and do, oh, I should be able to do it by hand. All right. Wouldn't it be a shame if I like flung it by mistake or some crap? Let me not speak that into existence, actually. All right, almost there. They have a little sticker here that says Tiffany & Company. This bubble wrap packaging is made from 85% pre-consumer recycled product. Please reuse and recycle. So the next time that I sell something online or something like that, I think I will hold on to this bubble wrap and use it should I decide to like sell something to someone online. I'm a little out of focus, sorry y'all. And in the next video, I promise that I'll have like the camera and everything together. This is my first time doing anything like this, so y'all just have to bear with me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. And here is the item. And if you're wondering what this is, it is a wine glass. Yeah, it's got a little Tiffany & Co sticker on it. Says made in Italy, and this is crystal glass. And yeah. This was the cheapest thing that I could find on Tiffany. And at the bottom, it's engraved Tiffany & Company. It's hard to see, but it's there. That's what that little gray is. Let's see if y'all can see that. So it's engraved on the bottom. And then here, there's a little sticker that says Tiffany & Company on it as well. This is going to be my new wine glass. I also, with this series, wanted to make sure that I was only getting things that I would be able to use. And your girl likes, you know, a glass of white wine here and there. Definitely, you know, after a long day of work, I'll have like a glass of Riesling or, you know, a glass of Moscato, a glass of Chardonnay. And this will be the glass that I put it in. I'm not big on champagne flutes and goblets and things like that. Like, I just like a nice glass. And they did have glasses at the same price point as this. So now you came here because this is the cheapest item. So I bet you're wondering how much the glass actually was. So for an Italian crystal glass was $25. And with tax, because I live in Washington and Seattle in particular, it came out to $27.53. I think this would be a wonderful gift for anybody who you maybe are having a tough time picking a gift for. I think this is like cute, maybe if you get them as a pair for someone. It's well packaged. I love how this came, you know, in the Tiffany box, all wrapped up, safe and sound. But yeah, I think that I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this glass, pretending like I live the fancy life. But yeah, this is the cheapest thing that I was able to find on Tiffany. I would love to know if you guys have ever tried, you know, to find cheap things online, if there's maybe something else that I missed on the Tiffany website that would have been cheaper, but this was the cheapest item that I could find. I look forward to drinking many a glasses of wine in here and chilling out, living my best classy life. I think for the sake of the video too, I may pour a glass of white wine in it so you can see what it looks like, okay? All right, so in celebration of this new wine glass, I went ahead and poured a little bit of Riesling in here. So cheers to being broke but having expensive taste and living within your means while still having a little fun, right? Let's cheers to that for anybody who can cheers to that. And if you're curious, does white wine taste any better out of a crystal glass? And I have to say, this is cute. This is like a look, I'm not gonna lie. I will probably get another one just so I can have a set. Maybe when I'm entertaining people. Might even get like 4. So in the event that I'm ever entertaining people, I can like whip these out and be my classy ratchet self. What's nice about this too is it's nice and lightweight. It's really cute. Not bad, Tiffany. Not bad at all. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you want to see me try to find other cheap things, definitely leave a comment. Let me know what brands you want me to go and get things on. I already have a couple things that I've pre-ordered. Obviously, I don't want to spoil which brands, but if there are brands that you would like for me to try and find cheap things from, let me know. I think the biggest thing for me with this series is not only do I want to find the cheapest thing, but I want to find the cheapest thing that I could use or implement in my real life. So you're not going to see me getting baby clothes, you won't see me getting hosiery, that sort of thing, but a glass? Come on now. And I drink white wine. It was like, oh, $25 wine glasses? Don't mind if I do. If you enjoyed this video, let me know by leaving a comment, leaving a like, and subscribing if you haven't already, and hitting the notification bell so you know every single time I post. And until next time, peace.